In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a company review on Glassdoor. By the end, you'll know exactly how to share a clear, helpful, and professional review that supports other job seekers and provides constructive feedback to employers. Start by visiting glassdoor.com and signing into your account. Being logged in ensures your review is tied to a verified profile and can be submitted properly. Once you're in, use the search bar at the top to type the name of the company you want to review. Select the correct company from the results to open its profile page. If you prefer mobile or want a quick shortcut, I've placed a direct link to the website and a download link for the app right at the top of the description. On the company page, look for the Write a Review button and click it. You'll begin by giving an overall rating from 1 to 5 stars. After that, you can rate key areas like career opportunities, compensation and benefits, culture and values, diversity and inclusion, senior management, and work-life balance. Take a moment to think about each category separately. If your pay was strong but your work-life balance was challenging, reflect that honestly so readers get a balanced picture. Next, add your work details. Indicate whether you're a current or former employee, your employment status, your job title, your location, and how long you worked there. Keep titles and locations accurate but general enough to protect your privacy. Consistency here helps readers understand your perspective and helps the platform verify the context of your review. Now write your review. Start with a short headline that summarizes your experience, then list the pros, what the company does well, and the cons, areas that could be improved. If you have advice for management, add it respectfully and make it action-oriented. Focus on specific examples. Avoid personal identifiers and steer clear of confidential information. Balanced constructive feedback is more credible and more helpful. You'll also see optional items that are highly recommended. Rate the CEO. Indicate whether you'd recommend the company to a friend, and share your 6-month outlook on the business as positive, neutral, or negative. These extra signals make your review more complete and informative for others. Finally, read the terms, check the agreement box, and click Submit Review. That's it. Your review may go through a moderation process, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. If this helped, don't forget there's a link at the top of the description to get to Glassdoor quickly. Thanks for watching.